welcome to this episode from Linguamid. It's a survival kit episode where I give you 15 essential phrases that you need if you want to explore any Arab country for the first time. So if you want to ask for directions, if you want to make some greetings, start a conversation, so this is the episode for you. Before I start, don't forget to enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 online course. You will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. So let's start with the first phrase. Masa al-khair is a very important greeting in spoken Egyptian. It means good night. So masa is night and good is al-khair. Okay, and when we say masa al-khair, we say good night, and also good night is suitable for the night and for the afternoon. So we say also masa al-khair in the afternoon. So not only in the night. So masa al-khair is good night. Sabah al-khair is good morning. Okay, so al-khair is always good. Masa is night and sabah is morning. So مساء الخير. من فضلك. Please. من فضلك. To a male and to a female is من فضلك. We also have synonym. لو سمحت is similar to من فضلك. لو سمحت to a male and لو سمحتي to a female. So we can use both of them. Okay, you can use من فضلك or لو سمحت for to a male, and we can use also من فضلك or لو سمحتي to a female. So say it with me. من فضلك. من فضلك. شكرا. Thank you. شكرا. Thank you. شكرا, it means thank you in English. شكرا. شكرا. And we say also متشكر. We also say ألف شكر. ألف شكر. 1000 thanks. شكرا. متشكر. ألف شكر. آسف. أسفة. آسف, it means I'm sorry. آسف. آسف. Or you can say أنا آسف. Or you can remove the pronoun أنا. Okay, I. So you can say أنا آسف or just آسف. And for when a female is talking, she can say أسفة. So a male talking آسف, a female talking أسفة. أنا آسف. أنا أسفة. When you have difficulty grasping something in Arabic, you say مش فاهم. مش فاهم. This is when a male is speaking. مش فاهم. And when a female is speaking, مش فاهمة. So مش فاهم. مش فاهمة. Here مش is the negation tool. The negation tool. So you say مش فاهم if a male is talking, or مش فاهمة if a female is talking. If you need help, just say ممكن تساعدني. ممكن تساعدني. Can you help me? ممكن تساعدني. If you talk to a male. If you are talking to a female, you say ممكن تساعديني. ممكن تساعديني. ممكن تساعدني to a male. ممكن تساعديني to a female. You can also add the word حضرتك if you want to make it polite, more polite. You say ممكن حضرتك تساعدني, or حضرتك ممكن تساعدني to a male. حضرتك ممكن تساعديني to a female. Okay, so ممكن تساعدني, this is casual. حضرتك ممكن تساعدني for female or to a female. حضرتك ممكن تساعديني, this is formal, or just ممكن تساعديني, this is more casual. Okay, ممكن تساعدني. ممكن تساعديني. فين القنصلية؟ فين القنصلية؟ Where is the consulate? القنصلية. القنصلية in spoken Egyptian. فين is where. فين القنصلية, and we remove the verb to be. فين القنصلية. Where is the consulate? فين القنصلية بتاعتي. Where is my consulate? My country's consulate. فين القنصلية بتاعتي. Mine. Okay, or just فين القنصلية. بكام. بكام. How much is this? بكام ده. How much is this? Or just بكام. How much. بكام. بكام. How much. If you need a doctor urgently, just say محتاج دكتور. or أنا محتاج دكتور, or you can remove أنا. Just say محتاج دكتور if you are a male talking. If a female is talking, محتاجة دكتور. محتاجة دكتور. Okay? If there is a female doctor, you say محتاج دكتورة. A female doctor. محتاج دكتورة or محتاجة دكتورة. Okay, so دكتورة is a female for doctor. Okay, doctor. So أنا محتاج دكتور, أنا محتاج دكتورة. أنا محتاجة دكتور if a female is talking. أنا محتاجة دكتور or أنا محتاجة دكتورة if you need a female doctor. If you are lost, you say أنا تهت. Okay, تهت. تهت is from the verb يتوه, means to get lost, and تهت is a conjugation with I. أنا تهت. Okay, I got lost. أنا تهت. أنا تهت. You can also say أنا تايه. أنا تايه. I am lost. Or أنا تايهة if a female is speaking. أنا تايهة. So you can say it either way. If you want to say it just one form, you say أنا تهت for male and female. Or you can say أنا تايه for male or male is talking, or أنا تايهة if a female is talking. Say it with me. أنا تهت. أنا تهت. محتاج taxi. Taxi is international. We say it as it is in Egyptian. محتاج taxi. أنا محتاج taxi. Or you can say أنا محتاج Uber. Okay? Or محتاج كريم, another service. So أنا محتاج taxi. أنا محتاج taxi, or just remove أنا and say محتاج taxi. This is for male. When a male is talking. When a female is talking, محتاجة taxi. محتاجة taxi. فين أقرب بنك؟ فين where أقرب nearest. Okay, comparative. أقرب nearest bank, which is bank. Okay, so فين أقرب bank. Or you can also say فين أقرب ATM. We say it as it is, ATM as well. Okay, فين أقرب ATM, or فين أقرب bank. Where is the nearest ATM machine, or where is the nearest bank. بتتكلم إنجليزي. Do you speak English? بتتكلم ألماني. Do you speak German? بتتكلم فرنساوي. Do you speak French? بتتكلم إيطالي. Do you speak Italian? بتتكلم أسباني. Do you speak Spanish? And so on. So you say just بتتكلم. بتتكلم and you say the language afterwards. If a female is talking, you say بتتكلمي instead of بتتكلم. So بتتكلمي إنجليزي. Do you speak English? بتتكلمي فرنساوي. Do you speak French? بتتكلمي to a female. بتتكلم to a male. اتصل بالبوليس. Okay, call the police. We say police, not police. We say police in Egyptian. Okay, اتصل from the verb يتصل, it means to call by phone. So اتصل بالبوليس, imperative, or you are ordering or requesting. Call the police, please. You can also say لو سمحت if you want to make it less ordering. Okay, so more polite. اتصل بالبوليس, or اتصل بالبوليس لو سمحت. Call the police. Say it with me again. اتصل بالبوليس. If you are talking to a female, you say اتصلي بالبوليس. So اتصل بالبوليس for a male or to a male. اتصلي بالبوليس to a female. الحقوني, help. Okay, الحقوني. Okay, الحقوني, this is a form to plural. Okay, so you are saying help me people please. الحقوني. If you want to say الحقني, this means you are talking to a man, to a male. الحقني. If you are talking to a female, الحقيني. Okay, so we have three forms. This form, the main one in our video here or episode, it is الحقوني if you are talking to many people. If you are talking to a male, you say الحقني. If you are talking to a female, you say الحقيني. So الحقوني, الحقني, الحقيني. I hope these phrases were easy. Now you can say بتتكلم إنجليزي. Do you know English? Do you speak English? أنا تهت. I'm lost. ممكن تساعدني. Can you help me? good afternoon, مساء الخير, and many other important phrases. If you like this episode, just give it a like and subscribe to Linguamid. Don't forget to look at the description box and see important resources there, and enroll 100% free in my basic 101 online course. You'll find the link in the description box and also in the first comment. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in another episode.